Hi, this is Jennifer with Smith Chevrolet, and I'm here to show you our all new and redesigned 2018 Trax LS. This vehicle is all-wheel drive. It has two USB ports with auxiliary input jack, exterior parking camera rear, security system, split folding rear seat, and has a engine of a ECOTEC 1.4 liter. It does have your power tailgate. You have lots of trunk space. You do have cloth interior. Coming from your driver's side, you have your power locks and windows. You have your Bluetooth for your phone. Your radio is touchscreen. You have your air and heat controls, your auxiliary port. This is Jennifer with Smith Chevrolet, and I was showing you our all new and redesigned 2018 Trax LS.